and it was closed, so we ended up at Pelshar. Not our first choice, but it's much cleaner than I remember. So here we are. And there's Loudmouth Daniel. So I'm wondering if these people don't have work. Why are they here? Why are all these people here?
Well, we are on vacation, so
they're not.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Breakfast. We got
Part 2.
St. Mary's plant chips with chili and lemon. Lime. In Jamaica,
Lime. That's right.
And before we had some
peanut butter biscuit. Here's a wrapper for those of you that don't know. This right here
is a staple.
Champions.
Breakfast of champions. Forget what you heard.
So we're on this bus. We're on Oxford Express, headed to Mumbai. And as you can plainly see, we're being treated to a movie, a classic no less, The Mask. AC turned, Wi-Fi on.
Can I see Insta? Very live. Keeping in touch with the fans.
Let me zoom in on that. Oh, there we go. All right.
Already got 3 likes.
All right. So, as you can plainly see, everyone, let me just get you looking at all of us, both of us. As you can plainly see, this bus is much hyper than that flight. That from Japan. We're living life on this bus. I want to reach number hips. We'll update you guys when we make the stop sign thing. See if anything pretty that I will show. If not, we're not lucky.
Yeah.
Later. Yeah. We're in Ochi. And I slept like 20 minutes, 30.
Forever.
Shut up. Okay, guys, here we are. We just arrived in Mumbai. We're still inside the Knutsford Express bus bay. You know, you gotta brush out the I can't even call it a fro. I'm so used to saying fro. What is it?
My hair?
Whatever. Meanwhile, I be like, run my fingers through it. So, we have to pretty up before we go outside for the proper welcome to Mumbai. See you guys in a little bit. See if we can leave the bags here and go find some patty.
Alright, what's the name?
It's 11. It's proper brunch time. It's great.
Yeah. Hopefully I don't duffel.
Girl, don't do it. I can't lift you up.
Can't see it for myself.
I should get my iPad. I feel so lost without it.
Alright, so you said that you just want to go ahead and leave your bag so you can...
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so the room is not yet quite ready. I'm not sure if you want to clean the room bags or walk on the road. You can leave the bags in the office. And then when you come back, you can go through the checking in process, getting your doors in. So you can just meet me outside.
Thank you. Should I bring this with me? Or we should record on the phone? Hey, what do you think? Shall I leave it? Thank you. Should I bring the case though? Or just the camera?
I will leave the camera.
Leave the case.
Yeah, you can, because the office door gets closed.
No, I was thinking about walking it on the road.
Might not be a good idea.
May not be, so.
Okay, take out the case for me. Hold on, it's recording. Why? And I just shut the show I know. They're gonna be like, these girls are... Alright, so we're finally in the damn hotel room.
Yes, after waiting about 2
Watching
hours.
Ratchet Ratatouille.
2 hours. Alright.
Oh no, so me did that act out, right? Because what?
And this is our so-called sea view. Mainly the street.
Let's there's a bit of a glare, but at least we'll be able to see. What's this? Our sunset. It's very pretty actually.
I'm blind.
Well, Sevi can't see it. It's very pretty. You have to watch it on video, Sevi. We are going to head down to the beach and get a little bit of the sun that's left.
Maybe half an hour.
And then we have to change out of our gorgeousness to go change into our other gorgeousness for the night scene. Now we're not taking it to the beach because come to Jamaica yourself later.
So,
We're in the water.
yes, we're here.
Silhouette and beer things.
The beach closes at 6. And the damn hotel never tell us that the beach closes at 6.
And give it to Will, Give it to Will. And
By the time we got here, it was 6 p.m. For Sewell.
10 minutes.
You okay?
No, I'm not okay. I just saw fish that scared the shit out of me. They were just normal. It's not even like jellyfish.
What are fried potatoes?
And you had to truck off into the water.
Bye!